Okay, I'm going to show you how to open this up with the fingerprint. Just a button there, your finger there, and it pops open. And you have multiple fingers, prints that you can input in here. Same thing for the 6-digit code. You can set the clock and the time and the year. I found the instructions to be useless because it didn't process the way that it was described. So anyway, whatever is set on this display, excluding the USB battery capacity, or the battery capacity of the four AA's. Anyway, that's it. It works great.
Minutes to go in the second half. So free throw shooting is going to be coming faster here in a 1-point game.